Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Dollar Tree bee DIY. I'm going to use one of their new garden bee signs and make an indoor sign with mine. I'm going to pair it with one of the new wood rounds from the Dollar Tree. You get 3 in a package from the Dollar Tree. I love these. I'm so glad that they've added something like this to the crafter square. I'm going to stain mine with a little antique wax by Waverly, wiping off any of the excess with a baby wipe. And look at that beautiful wood grain on there. I think that's going to make a perfect background and fit perfectly into one of these Dollar Tree signs. They have several of these that are bee signs. Since metal and hot glue don't always work great together, I'm using some double-sided tape to stick mine in here. It doesn't have to be too solid because I'm going to be hanging it with the metal, not the wood. And then I'm also going to frame this out with twine. Mine was a little skinned up, the gold on there, but I really wanted it to be a little bit warmer. I was bringing in the warm wood. I thought I could bring in some warm twine. So I'm just going to simply start gluing a border of twine on there. This is just Dollar Tree twine. One of my bees does stick out further than the rest. So I actually started and stopped so I didn't cover up that cute little bee. And I'm going to go all the way to the inside where you won't be able to see any of the gold. Then I go towards the outside here where I can keep going all the way around with the same piece of twine and just using a little bit of hot glue to tack that into place. We're going to make a really beautiful wall hanging that says Simply Bee with a couple of bees on there. So cute. The twine kind of gives me the same feel that like Dollar Tree rope does with bee DIYs. I think it just looks really good together and matches the vibe of this. So I have that all on there. I'm just going to burn off any fuzzies with a lighter here just to clean that up a little bit. Now the sides are still white and I thought I could cover them up without having to do the twine. I'm just going to use some rope. It fits in there perfectly. And I had a scrap piece of rope here that I can frame all the way around the edges. That way when you see the edge of the sign, it is covered as well. Optionally, you could also take the twine and keep that going down the sides if you wanted to. But the rope is probably going to be a little easier because you only had to do one piece. I just had glued that on there, burned off the fuzzies, and then I'm going to decorate it with a few florals here on the frame. These are the burlap flowers. They have several varieties of these. I think they're so cute. I'm going to glue here some to the bottom left side of the wall hanging like that. And I think it's really cute, but I thought it needed a little bit of color. So I'm going to use my heat gun and replace the middle flower with just a Dollar Tree flower in a bright yellow color. Just add a little bit more color to the frame. And here it is, our little Simply Bee sign. So cute for a wall hanging and really easy to make with items from the Dollar Tree. For more bee DIYs, be sure to visit me at Crafty Beach on YouTube. And until next time, happy crafting!